Hey guys, and welcome to Styled Components tutorial and projects course, where we'll explore what are styled components, how to add styled components to our application, as well as the major benefits of using styled components in our applications. And at the end of the course, we're going to build interesting project using styled components. Hey guys, and welcome to Beach Walk Resort project. I guess before we take a look at the actual project, let's go over the two main goals of the project. First, I wanted to show you how we can use styled components to make our CSS reusable, be it a button, a section, or a page. And second, how we can leverage the fact that we can use JavaScript in styled components. And by doing so, improve our workflow tremendously. So now that we know the reasoning behind the project, let's take a look at the actual project. First and foremost, we're going to create a hero component with the massive background image. Okay. Then next one up, there's going to be a banner component with some text, as well as the button within the banner component. And as a side note, button will in fact be a separate component. So in fact, as we're working with our project, we're going to be able to reuse this particular component. All right. Now there's also going to be some animation. So once I refresh, in fact, my browser, notice that I do have some animation going on within the banner. So essentially, we're going to take a look at how we can implement animation within the style components. All right. Then next one up, we're going to have a about us section with some image, as well as some title, as well as the text about the company. And as you can see right away in the about us section, we are reusing the button component that was created when we were working on the banner component. And then last but not least, there's going to be a our room section. And then within the our room section, there's going to be 3 cards with some info about the rooms that the hotel provides. And all the way in the bottom, you can notice that there's going to be the buttons. So the same button that we created for the banner, then reused it within the about. Well, since we're going to implement the props using our styled components, in fact, we're going to reuse the same component. So that eliminates the fact that we have to create a new button each and every time we would want to use it. Instead, there's going to be a one button component, and then we're going to make it dynamic by passing in the different values for our props. And this way we can create our buttons, whether bigger or smaller, depending on our situation. Now, lastly, I would like to mention that our project is going to be responsive. So regardless of the screen size, the project is going to look really good. Now that we know what we're going to build, let's start working on our project.